Alright, tubers. Let's get this dang head off, huh? So I got the exhaust manifold out. It's right here. It was an absolute bugger to get out of there. And I did have to get it off to get this head off. Everything's unplugged. It looks like I've got one more thing in the back there. Still plugged in, but I can't get to it until I pull the head off. It looks like this might come with it. I can just scoop this. Let's see, does that move with it? It does. Why, I'm not sure yet. Now let's start lifting it off. You gotta be really careful. Because if you lift it off and like set it down on something, it could dent the aluminum and ruin the head. Aluminum dents really easily. Unless it's like an aluminum alloy type stuff. If it's pure aluminum, yeah, it dents pretty easily. Oh, why won't it come up in the back? Oh, I can feel bolts back there. Dagnabbit. Feels like 12. My small ratchet here with a 12 socket on it. I really try not to edit anything out. Not anything that would seem important, because if I struggle, you should know that, because then you'll know what to expect. It bugs me when people edit out things like pulling the head off. I did look on YouTube just around, and no one really shows actually the head coming off. I understand why. It's probably really boring to watch, but I want to put it out there. I want to show people how freaking difficult it is. Why won't this come off? Alright, let's get this head off now. Oh, dang it. Filling my cylinders with antifreeze, that's wonderful. Something just fell into one of them, whatever. So I need a number 10. This dang hose is stuck. There we go. All the antifreeze is pulled out of there. We get the camera off the camera stand here real quick. Alright, where's the mic on this camera? So I don't cover it up. Alright. So, here she be. I've been told, I don't know if it's correct, I've heard it from a few different pistons, that this piston configuration is called a sister pistons. That means these two come up, and those two come up, and these two come up, and those two come up. Let's see if I can rotate it over here for you. You see. There we go. They all rotate in that manner. I'm going to put them all pretty well level. I'm going to put some, I'm going to go get it anyways. I need to put some Marvel Mystery Oil in here to protect the cylinders. Still got a little bit of stuff on this one. Where's the rag? I'll just vacuum that out here in a second. But it's off. Haven't taken a look at the head yet. I did just set the head right here. Wasn't the smartest idea, but I was just kind of flustered with it. Rather angry at it. It's not sitting on anything hard. Just a foam seat. Oh, it pours oil everywhere. Whatever. I just want to look at this. Just seeing if any of these valves did come in contact. That really doesn't look like it. And this is the intake, and that's the exhaust. Looks like this one is running a little different than the rest of them. Looked like these two are running a little rich, and these two are running just a little bit lean. Kind of interesting, but oh well. Now I gotta get the money together and get a new head ordered and all that fun stuff. So yeah. Alright, now I just got the rest of that little bit of antifreeze. No, come on. Little antifreeze still left over. I can't get the block to turn. There we go. It's hard to turn. Gonna put a little Marvel Mystery Oil in the cylinders to protect them while they're open. See if I can get in the sides there. Some people out there still thinks Marvel Mystery Oil is hogwash. I don't. I totally believe in this stuff. I've had nothing but good from this product. I'm putting a little too much in, which is okay, because I will kind of siphon. I'll suck out this oil when I go to put the new head on. I just want it to be protected, especially if there's any amount of antifreeze still down in the cylinders. This will kind of help flush it out, keep it protected. I'm gonna turn it over now by hand, if I can. I need both my hands. Just a second. I'm gonna turn them. Turn them, and get them to coat the cylinders. I'll go up 2 or 3 times and then just leave it. I'll put a rag across the top, probably close the hood. So. Alright, we're going to wrap this up here. We've got Marvel Mystery Oil on each cylinder. It's going to protect it well. I'm going to cover this all up. One thing, sorry, one thing that you can learn from my screw-ups, as you can see, that's broken off. Thankfully, this piece I am going to replace anyways, because the timing chain is eaten into it quite a lot. So it's okay that that broke. Just learn from my mistakes. There is a bolt right underneath, as you can see. There's a crack right here. There's a bolt right underneath the distributor. You pull that whole piece out and there's a bolt down inside there. So you can learn from my screw-ups, my mistakes. And yes, I'll show you that I screw up and made a mistake, but as you can see, let me flip the flashlight on here. The driver's side timing chain guide is gone, and that looks like the timing tensioner It's alright, people are making funny faces at me. Timing chain tensioner in the back there, as you can see, is almost dislodged. It's almost come undone, so yeah, it was definitely the demise of this engine, but I'll be fixing it up and it'll be running soon. I'll be putting metal timing chain guides in and all that fun stuff, so hope you enjoyed, YouTube. Hope you have a good one. See ya.